In this tutorial we will show you how to delete records from your database using the DMXzone Database Updater 2. In this example we are listing our database records on the page, and we'll use an inline delete button. From the DMXzone Database Connector tutorials, you already know how to list your records on the page, so we won't show this again. The records are inside a dynamic table, and in the last table cell we placed a regular HTML form, with a hidden field, and a submit button. Your form method must be set to post. Give your hidden field a name and an ID. We are going to use this hidden field to pass the ID of the record, which needs to be deleted. And make sure that your button type is set to submit. Enough for the page layout. Open the Server Connect panel and create a new server action. We call it delete. Now, let's import the form input to our server action. Select Globals and click the Browse button next to the link Page Input. Select your page containing the delete record form. Then, select your form and click the Import button. You can see that our hidden field has been imported under the global post variables. Right-click Steps and add a database connection. Set up your database connection, or load an existing one if you have already defined it. Then, right-click the database connection step and add database delete. Click the Delete Options button. Then select the database table where you want to delete records. The database delete step will automatically import your table identity column and will set an equal condition. We will use this identity column to delete the records. Click the Dynamic Data Picker button to select your hidden input as a value for the delete condition. You can see your hidden input under Globals, Post. Select it and then click the Select button. Click OK. Save your server action, and then open the App Connect panel. Select your delete record form. Click the Make Server Action Form button. This will connect your form to the selected server action. Select your delete record server action. When the form is submitted, it will run the delete server action without any page refresh. Now, we need to assign the record ID to our hidden input. Select the hidden input. Add a new dynamic attribute. Open Input and select Value. Click the Dynamic Data Picker button in order to select the record ID from our repeat region. Select the identity value returned by your repeat region. In our case that's the table body, as we are using a dynamic table. Note that you should always make sure to select the value under your repeating element, not from the server action component. Our hidden input will now send the selected record ID when the form is submitted. The only thing left is to refresh the records list on the page when we delete any of them. Select your form. Add new dynamic event. Open Server Connect and select On Success. Then click the Dynamic Action Picker button. And under the Server Connect, which is used to list our records on the page, select Load. This will reload the data, so we can see the changes immediately. Click the Add button, and then click the Select button. Save your page, and let's preview the results. Soon as we click the Remove button, the selected record is deleted from our database, and the records list refreshes. That's how easy it is to build a delete record page using DMXzone Database Updater 2.